How to share profile on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share profile accounts on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now I'm gonna click on the search icon and this is a random post. For example, click on this one and click on those three points up there and click on the last option, which is share this profile, and here click the person you want to send this profile and click on send, and this is how you share this profile. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like.